Okay guys, we have ang upcoming activity about saving Mother Earth. Okay. Group of boys will be the one who's cleaning. You'll pick up all the pieces of trash you'll see on our way. And the group of girls will be that. Okay, let us now start our activity.
Go.